Hello students, myself Mahavir Singhvi, I am your maths teacher and today we are going to study first chapter of 9th standard number system. The concept we are going to study today are introduction to number system, natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, irrational number, real number and rational number between two rational numbers. First, as per our name of the chapter, number system. What is number system? In general, we can say that it is a system to express numbers. It is a system to express number is known as number system. What are the practical uses or daily life uses? Just like for counting anything. If I am teaching in a classroom and I need to count number of students, so I will start counting, and that is the first use of natural number or number system. And to measure the fundamental quantities like or physical quantities like temperature, height of a person, we require number system. And in daily life calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, in all these things we require number system. We require use of number system. First thing, natural number. What is natural number? Counting numbers. All the counting numbers are termed as natural number. The first number, as it starts with 1, and there is no limit to natural number. And keep this in mind, natural number do not include the number 0. 0 is not considered as natural number. Set of all the natural number, the set of all natural number are denoted by capital N. I repeat, set of all the natural number are denoted by capital N, and which can be represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Natural number, as you have seen in this screen, natural number are represented on the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Next slide, we are having whole number. What is whole number? All the natural number. If I term all the natural number including 0 is known as whole number. Set of whole number is denoted by capital W. Set of whole number is denoted by capital W, and it is set is represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And this is the representation of whole number on number line. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these are the natural number, and including 0 will be termed as whole number. Next number. Next is integer. Integer can be termed as whole number including the negative numbers. Whole number, all the whole number including the negative numbers are termed as integers. Integers can be negative number like -1, -2, -3, -5 and so on, and positive number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0. All these three terms like negative number, positive number and including 0 will be termed as integers, and integers is denoted by capital Z. I repeat, integer is denoted by capital Z. So on -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And here the number system, this integer is represented on the number line like such way. Next, our next number is rational number. A rational number is number that can be expressed as P by Q form. It can be expressed in P by Q form, where P is the numerator and Q is denominator. Where P is numerator and Q is denominator. P can be having any value of integer, and Q also have any value rest 0. Q cannot be equals to 0. So since Q may be equal to 1, so every integer is termed as rational number. I repeat, every integer is termed as rational number. 0 is also a rational number because in 0 the numerator part is 0 and denominator part is 1. So some examples are given, and the set of rational number is represented by capital Q, like 2, 0, minus 3, 2 by 3, minus 4 by 9, 7 by 3. All these are example of rational number. Okay students, next slide we are having next number, irrational number. After rational number, next number is irrational number. As I have explained previously, the rational number, the number which are represented in P by Q form. So now irrational number are those numbers which cannot be expressed in P by Q form. Okay, those number which cannot be expressed in P by Q form, those number are termed as irrational number, like root 2, 3 to power 1 by 3, cube root of 3, pi, 1.35, 335, 335. All these numbers are irrational number, and it is denoted by, irrational number is denoted by R minus Q. Now here the question arises, what is meant by R? So dear students, R is real number. R is termed as real number. So R minus Q. Q means what? Rational number. So all the real numbers minus rational numbers are termed as irrational numbers. Next slide. In the next slide we are having real number. All these numbers, the previously we have studied natural number, whole number, rational number, integer, irrational number, all include and will make real numbers. So here the definition, all the number including rational and irrational number will make the real number. Here the difference is given. A rational number include natural, whole, integer. So all these are part of rational number. And irrational number will include the root numbers, the number which are given in a square root or under root, cube root, pi, and non-terminating numbers. Next slide. In the next slide, here there is a representation of all the numbers. Means whole natural number is subset of whole number is subset of integers is subset of rational number is subset of real number, and real number is subset of complex number. So it means, it shows that natural number is including in whole number. All the whole number, natural number are including in integers. All the natural number, whole number, integers are including in rational number. And all the rational and irrational numbers are included in real number. Okay. And the last part, complex number. Here in this class 9th and class 10, we don't study complex number. These numbers are studied in higher standard, 11th, 12th and further in graduation. Next slide. Yes, this is the important part. First exercise is based on this method only. The rational numbers between two rational numbers. In previous classes you have learned about how to put values between the two integers or between two numbers, and here we will study about the rational number between two rational numbers. Let us take an example. Suppose we need to write 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So our first rational number is 3 upon 5 and our second rational number is 4 upon 5, and we need to enter or we need to find 5 rational number between these two numbers. So what is the method? Look here, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. So how many number we need to find? 5. So we will add 1 to the number, each number we want to find. So suppose we need to find 5 number. So we will add 1, it will make 6. So 3 by 5, 4 by 5. We will multiply each numerator and denominator here in 3 by 5 also and 4 by 5 with the 6. Okay. So this will make 3 into 6, 18, 5 into 6, 30. Here 3 into 6, 24, 5 into 6, 30. So our number is 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. So in between 18 and 24. Now here the method was to make the denominator same. The first step is to make the denominator same. Now here you can see 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. Here denominator are same, both are 30. So in between 18 and 24, how many numbers are there? Let us count. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 5. So we got our answer. So what was the method? Whatever the denominator is, first step is to make the denominator same. Then how many number we need to find? Suppose we need to find 5 numbers. So we will add 1 and multiply each the numerator and denominator part of both the numbers by that number. Suppose here 5 numbers was there. So we will multiply it with 6. So our number are 18 by 30, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 and 24 by 30. So 18 by 30 will make 3 by 5 and 24 by 30 will make 4 by 5. So we will not count 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. We will count these 5 numbers: 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 and last number is 24 by 30. So our next example is we need to find 7 rational number between -1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So first of all I have told you we need to make denominator same. Here denominator is 2 and 4. So we will take LCM. It will be 4. So here we need to multiply it with 2 by 2. So it will make -2 by 4. So first number become -2 by 4 and second number is 1 by 4. So our denominator is same, 4. Now how many number we need to find? 7 numbers. So we need to add 1. We will add 1 to 7. So 7 plus 1 will make 8. So we will multiply both this number -2 by 4 and 1 by 4 with 8. So 8 multiply 8 here and 8 multiply 8 here. So it will make -16 by 32 and here it will make 8 by 32. So denominator is same. You can see 32. So in between -16 and -8, how many numbers are there? There are so many numbers. If we start counting, it will -15 by 32, -14 by 32, -13 by 32, -12 by 32, -11 by 32 and -10 by 32. Here our 7 numbers are completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and -9 by 32. All this will make 7 numbers. Okay child. Now some homework part. Today our session is over. So you need to make this calculation done. This is our homework. First question. There are 5 questions and you need to complete all these 5 questions. So solve it at home, and if you have any doubt you can ask in next class. And for further any query or anything, you can refer Diksha app by NCRT for textbook and extra marks online platform for practice questions. And keep checking your Flint app. For more updates. Okay, thank you.